For this experiment, we need 2 empty bowls. In the first bowl, put 15 ml of water. And then add few drops of color in it and mix it by using a stick. This is the crystal powder that we are going to put in the water. Take half scoop of crystal powder and put it in the first bowl. In the second bowl, we are putting 50 ml of water. And now add few drops of other color. Now we are adding half scoop of crystals powder again in the second cup. Now both the cups have the same amount of crystal powder. First bowl has 15 ml of water with half scoop of crystal, and the second bowl has 50 ml of water with half scoop of crystal powder. Now the concept is the crystal powder is made up of super absorbent material which absorbs all the colored water. So in this process, the powder becomes soft and the colored crystals. So whatever amount of water we take, the crystal powder will absorb all the water in it, whether it is 15 ml, 50 ml or more than that. And the size of crystals will become big. Thank you so much for watching our videos. If you like our video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel.